Here I have Mercedes GLB, and let me show you how to use tow away protection. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Here let's swipe to the left a few times until you see the settings. So let's tap settings, so the car icon. Then this is the standard view of the settings. Choose here the second tab, which is vehicle. From the vehicle, let's choose open and close. Now we've got access to the following features. Let's use the first one, the vehicle protection. As you can see, you can use one of the following vehicle protection features. And in this video, let me show you how to use the second one, which is tow away protection. Use this toggle here, and basically that's it. This triggers the alarm if the car detects it is being tilted, which happens if someone tries to tow it or steal the wheels. So I think it's amazing to have this feature enabled, and I didn't see any downhills about it. Let's just enable the tow away protection in your Mercedes. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.